In these updates, we'll be looking at our same simple, transparent strategy of support and resistance level. Let's get inside. We just get into the market right now and we quickly look at the back, and we have our previous resistance level here, and we see market resistance there. So we take a try. So simple, but it can be very difficult sometimes. But okay, that's the basic. So we look at a quick scalping with that mindset at where is the market right now and what's happening exactly, because we're trading on a very short time frame. So we look at market trading right here and trading right here, so giving the third point, and that is the way to forecast with this strategy, because our support level is resting right here, and you can see the market was completely resting here, telling us that that is the support level, and our resistance level is right here. Those are the basic average levels of resistance and support level. So we make a decision based on that. We sell it. How do we do that? We do that with the ratio 1:1.5 for the first take profit, and second take profit will be trailing profit. And we had additional confirmation from the candlestick that we see the market doing that thing right here, and we're seeing this bearish candle here, a little bit bigger than an average candle at the top here, so giving us more momentum that the market is about to sell. And we wait a little bit, we see another two playing just beside it, and finally falling below it, and that gives us the confirmation that we need to sell, and we sell based on that. Despite the indicator on the bottom didn't give that confirmation yet, but we're making that decision based on that quick. We expect this market even to go sideways a little bit and come back to this zone or a little bit higher than it and sell. That's also very possible. But you can see it's in a little profit. We back testing everything to see it, being very transparent. So you can see, based on what I just say right now, we can see that happened over and over again, that the market was right here and came back doing the same thing. Don't worry about this candlestick with this. This may probably be a confirmation candle for you, that you see this thing happening, giving you the idea of something about to happen. So wait and see more confirmation. And you can see that it repeats itself again. What happened? You get your base candle, and this one will be a confirmation candle for you to get in right here. We love in all these simple things. You just take a little while to see this thing clear, but we can see that right now, that we're looking for more confirmation of the candlestick and looking for complete engulfer. These two candles give us the engulfer. So we get in here to take 1:1.5 right there. And that is it. You can see right here that the market play the same game right here. The market have this huge sell down, and we see it going down, and couldn't make any high no longer. So place around here, and it goes sideways a little bit and come back here again. That is a trade. What do? You get in. You get in on that. You get in on that real quick. How do you get your confirmation? Look for a few candlesticks to give you that. You can wait till this, and that will be more high confirmation. And what are you seeking for? 1:1.5 on the first one. Very simple to follow. Every newbies can do this. Anyway, we are all newbies because of the day. Keep coming with a lot of new things, and you can see clearly that 1:1.5 is hit. Just basically knowing that you have your support level, you have your resistance level here. Sorry about that resistance level here, and market is doing that 1, 2, and doing that again, a little bit lower than it, and doing it again, and you take your trade based on that. And we can see that happen here again, that the market was completely going sideways, giving us more confirmation, and we say this one, we're saying that. We'll say that. So based on that, we're taking a trade right here. Let's check it out. Let's just take a trade. That is it. This is a confirmation candle, giving us probably may end at this one. So any one of this one you think. You may probably not take the second one, but let's just check it out. I sometimes have a trade and open more trades, but it may not be your stock. That's okay. So you can see based on that you've seen this market doing these crazy things, and you must be happy when you're seeing those crazy moves. Get in. When the first one takes you out, just wait a little bit and see clearly your confirmation in the resistance where the market's actually turning, looking for those turning points, and they are very clear. You just need to take your time. Somebody guiding us, as we can see clearly here. And I can tell you, that is it. That is it. Now, that is it. And we can see clearly that we have a couple of a market showing a move out, and we can also try and catch those moves too as well. That the market rests here, and fast forward, you see the market went up real quick, and it came back down there again. And what happened again? You're seeing it clearly that the market will give you confirmation by these two candles. 1, 2. This might not be clear, but you can see that these two candles are telling us that the market is about to get a little bit bullish. And if you can catch it on this one, you may probably catch it right here. Or you're saying it that the market quickly hit that level again, it came back, and this huge candle will tell you that there could be a little bit of what? Bullishness in the market. Because when you look back, these few candles do not have that momentum, but it is right here. So you wait for it to play around inside here, and you can see that this trade will be like a magic, because when you enter the next 10 minutes, something happened. One is to buy, it's a hit, just like a magic happening before your own eyes. We're seeing this same strategy showing us more stuff right here that we know in our basic support and resistance level. They giving us all the idea about this trading strategy, that this is it. And we can see clearly that when we look left, maybe we are right here right now, and we're trying to do something that will give us some profit. That the market was actually going down. So you're seeing all these things going down, and you see that the market rest a couple of times, just keep on making lower lows, and you see the market is going a little bit lower low, and you can see that when it came to this zone, the market was completely going sideways. So what do? You wait saying that the market lose momentum of what? Making more lower lows. You're gonna have some real quick scalping mentality right here. So how do you wait on that? You wait on that to see that, but don't wait too much. So just pick one of them. Either you say this and you finally get in. This will be a very good point to get in, and you can see on that one too. It goes very well. You're doing this thing with 100 peep stop loss and less than 200 peep stop loss. Don't get in with some 500 peep or more than 300 peep, unless you see that the market is of a very high. You can see that we were not able to make it on that, but that's absolutely okay. That it was very close making the 1:1.5, but that's okay. Now you have the clear idea, but the market is hitting this resistance level, which was right here in the market thunder. This will be one thing to look at. And you're seeing it back again. This candlestick should give you the idea to now sell and catch back the loss you made here. So you get in with this candlestick selling here, or you get in on this one using the basic indicators I'm using STC and UT board alert right here. Those basic things, any of them that can do very well. MACD and all the indicators are also cool, but I choose this one, and you can see clearly based on those days, it gives you the money back. You make loss here, you make the win in here, and that's how the game goes on and on. Look for a little bit of confirmation to make the game more clearer and more easy to play with. So we've seen that the market have a very good time frame right here, that we're seeing the market having this standing here, and we're looking at this, and we see that's happening again. and you can see that it's a little bit higher now, right? And you can probably take a trade here also as well, but it's a little bit dangerous, but take it and put your stop loss a little bit higher down there, and you can see that when you do that well, it's a very clear game. But if your stop loss is very close to it, maybe you probably hit it again, and what do? You wait, and this will be the next trade that will bring you back the profit. You can see it's right here that if you take this trade, which you may probably wait to say this first. So you when you see the second one hitting the same level, that is more confirming that the market is about to sell. People are not ready to buy more at this price. So we're gonna have a down move. Like I said, you can wait selling here or selling here, more confirmation. And you can see the down oscillator is also showing that. So that is it. And we're seeing our trade here goes very well. Those are the previous days, and that is it. And this thing look clearly like a double top pattern, and those things happen over and over again. Okay, let's take a look at our trade. It's still not moving fast, still dragging a little bit, but indeed it's in a little kind of profit. But we can see the market is trying to hit this previous level also as well, but we believe market is going to go down a little bit, and that we're still forecasting. It's all the game of predictions. So that's what it is for today, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's do this together. Thank you so much.